Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your receipt on the Postmates app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and find your receipt on the Postmates app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Postmates app. Next, click on your profile icon in the bottom right-hand corner. Then click on Orders, then click on Past Orders, and then this is where you're going to see a list of all your past orders. Click on one of the orders and then scroll down, then click on View Receipt. So this right here is going to be the receipt for your order, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your receipt on the Postmates app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.